Hi folks, welcome to Burton Caravans Canwell. My name's Leah and I'll be showing you this 2011 Sterling Elite Emerald. It's a single axle, 4-berth end washroom, silver sided, in great condition, no nasty dents, dinks or scratches, no cracks on any bodywork. Maximum tow weight on this one, 1650 kilos. You've got an external gas barbecue point and an external mains point. Alloy wheels. Really nice high quality caravan with some really nice fixtures and fittings inside. Let's go and have a look. So the front section here has got two lovely long bench seats, which can be used as single beds if required, but they do make into one large double bed. Loads of storage and shelving space. Fully fitted radio CD player. All your opening windows have concertina blinds and fly nets fitted. Plenty of sockets to the front of the caravan, 12 volt there with an aerial socket, and you've got a couple of 240 sockets there. Overhead lighting and above cupboard lighting is also a feature of this caravan. Your kitchen area is lovely and large with plenty of shelving and cupboard space. 3-way Thetford refrigerator, gas mains and 12 volts for whilst you're travelling. Fitted 240 volt microwave. And you have a 3-burner gas cooker with an electric hob, a separate gas grill and a separate gas oven. Lovely large sink area with plenty of worktop space for food prep. Opposite to this, you have an area where you have more sockets and another TV point. And some more shelving in there with wire racks. You have a dining area which converts to a single bed, and you also have a flip up bunk there, making your 4th bed. With it being a top of the range caravan, all your heating and your hot water is provided by the Alde wet central heating system, which works on gas, mains or a combination of the two. You have an onboard water tank. All your control panels are easily accessible above the door. And in the bathroom section, you have an electric flush toilet with large wardrobe section, which also houses your digital television antenna, your Alde fluid, and you've got some drawers and shelving there as well. Large, fully enclosed lined shower cubicle with a large wash hand basin, and just to the right of the shower you have the storage area for your freestanding table and your bunk ladder. A very, very versatile layout. If there's just the two of you, you've got your bedroom with an area for eating, or if you've got grandkids that occasionally come with you, you've got bunk beds as well. So that was our 2011 Sterling Elite Emerald. If you'd like any further details, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here 7 days a week on 0121 308 4766. Thank you for watching. We look forward to hearing from you.